Hello, it's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel. As I continue on at my tips and strategies of online marketing, as I have amassed a variety of tips and strategies the past 2 years, and more, shall we say. Okay, now you know a teeny bit about me. Let me show you a bit more about me as well. I am, of course, 60 years old. I am from the west coast of Canada, which I'm here in New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. So I'm on the west coast, shall we say. And I have been enjoying, of course, doing online marketing for the past 2 years, digital marketing as well as I'm an entrepreneur. But before that, I had a variety of different jobs over my lifetime because I came from the College of Life, which means I was in Doris Julius. I did McDonald's for a little while. I worked in a department store as well as in a jewelry store, as well as I worked in a gift shop. And I had about a variety of years I worked as a sheet metal worker in a sheet metal shop. That was interesting. And then a number of years ago, I kind of also took care of 6 kids for a few years as well, as I got the taste of something that I wanted to do. I wanted to work online. So a number of years ago, I worked in an office in Vancouver with my sister Vicky, and I did some direct marketing. I loved it. I loved the idea of working online, doing about that. It was quite enjoyable, and I made some income, pretty good income. But sadly, of course, the office closed, so I was off for a while due to some health issues and a variety of things. It was kind of a struggle to get a good, decent income for myself and my husband I'm with. So I was fortunate that I really loved the idea of working online. So I gathered the courage, got out of my comfort zone, shall we say, sold about $3,500 worth of jewelry, and got started to work online because I knew I wanted the laptop lifestyle. I wanted to work at home, set my own hours, and have some decent income into my retirement years, because now I am 60. Back then I was 58. And it's been a couple of wonderful years. Information was wonderful. I did a lot of trainings. I learned an awful lot. I made some money. I lost a ton of money, but that's all part of the learning curve to work online. But up until a couple of months ago, I was struggling quite a bit, but actually 4 months ago. And I started another program, got out of my comfort zone even further, and I have been working steady, being consistent, and I have actually earned some pretty good income as well. So I wanted to share that with you today. In the next segment, stay to the end to the video because it's quite a good informative video. It's been a heartfelt video talking about what I want to share, as I already did a bit of a hint about it, getting out of your comfort zone. Okay, stay to the end because I really want you to enjoy it, as well as I have some information down below about the links of what I'm doing as well. I do have my Facebook link down below too for you to check out, to come over, say hello, meet me, have a conversation. Let's get to know one another as entrepreneurs as well. Plus, if you want more information, I have left my phone as well. I'm available anytime, and you can check that out and just send me a text as well. Plus, my lovely friends, if you're new to my channel, and you may be, like and comment my video as well, and subscribe to my channel, as I have many more tips and strategies, of course, and more coming down the road as well. So my lovely friends, let's get on to the video. I'm excited for you to see it as well. Plus, my lovely friends, don't forget to click the bell below for my next notification of my next video. Okie dokie. Let's get on to the next one. See you on the other side to success. Let's get to it. Hello. Good morning. It's Christine Trainer here, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. I'm going to wait just a couple seconds, see if anybody's going to come on and say hello on this beautiful Saturday morning, October 3rd. As you see, I'm coming from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. It's a bit of a hazy morning here because it's still morning here. So I'm going to wait a couple of minutes, see if anybody's going to come on and say hello. If not, I'm still going to share my live and see what happens. You know what? All holds bar. This was like an impromptu live. I wasn't going to really do live today, but I thought, you know what? Take the bull by the horn, gather your fears, and move forward and do a live. That's part of doing a live every day. I see a couple people coming on. Welcome. Come on over to visit me here in New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada, as we hear 2 motorcycles on the street, because it's down below where I live up on the. Hey, Emmeline, how you doing, girl? So I'm going to carry on to do this live, and of course, if you're seeing this live, say hashtag live and where you're tuning in from. I love to see who is all coming on and saying hello as well. If you see this later on, hashtag replay. Aha. And I'll just say hello to you later. And that's good because when you watch this later on live, it's even more fun because you're watching the replay. Okay. Now, as you see on my above, I have something I want to share. It's a bit of a heartfelt share. And it's, for some reason, it just got me to share it. I just wanted to share it today. So basically, I've been spending the morning doing my tasks that I do every day. And of course, before I did my tasks, what do? I do my morning. Hey, Glenn, how you doing, girl? I do my morning gratitude, affirmation, and manifestation, and then I get started and do some wonderful tasks, which I love to do online. But this I've been doing. I've been writing quotes all morning. I have these quotes in my head, but this one I want to share, and this one you probably read. Get out of your comfort zone, take what you fear, face it, and push forward with your life's passion. Yes, this is what I wanted to share today because I feel so many people are stuck in their comfort zone. They don't want to go anywhere in life. Why do they want to know, hey Wendy, how you doing? Why don't they want to go anywhere in life? I tell you why. Because they're so happy. They fear change. They fear, shall we say, what they may want to do in life would be the wrong thing, right? And I say that's not, you don't have to feel that way. You know the acronym for fear, which I love. The acronym for fear that I love, which I'm going to find a piece of paper, is the one I like the best. Face everything and rise, and that is the key here. Face it, smash down that wall of fear. Look at it straight in the eye and go, I don't want this. I want to move forward. I want to move past. The reason why I want to share this with you today, my lovely friends, is this. I'm going to share with you my online journey, as I've shared before, and forgive me my glasses, but because they're prescribed, I can't see everything. So forgive me for having shadies. I'm still here. I want to share about my online journey, and it's a long one because I think it started about over 10 years ago when I really enjoyed being online. I mean, hey Kim, Joy, how you doing? I really loved the idea of being online and looking and meeting people and contacting, but I had this fear. Should I go online? No. And I was struggling, we were struggling financially. I wasn't really working. I was having some health issues, but I still was too scared to do it. My comfort zone was part of my life, and I said, no, I can't do this. It's ridiculous. I'm not smart enough. I'm not intelligent enough. I mean, why would I want to do something as crazy as that? And then I carried on through those 10 years, and I thought, you know what? Up until 2 years ago, all of a sudden, it hit me. Hey, Bob, how you doing? This is what I want to do. This is my life's passion. So I actually spoke to some friends online who were doing online work, and they said, you know what, why don't you just get started? And so I chatted with these people, and you know what, hey Michelle, how you doing, girl? I decided to take the bull by the horn, start something new in my life, because I loved online. I loved connecting with people. I loved chatting, and I wasn't having any luck just making any income properly. And my husband was, hey Krantz, how you doing? My husband was actually looking after me financially. So I thought, you know what? I sold $3,500 worth of jewelry. I kid you not. I just had jewelry that I decided to go simple, paid off some bills, and got started. Now, it's been an interesting journey. I've had some ups and downs. I've actually earned a little bit of money, but I lost a ton of money. But you know what? I faced everything, and I rose. I rose every single time. I get up every day, do what I wanted to do, took care of my needs, and I still kept moving forward. Because I thought to myself, as I'm writing, I was taking massive action. Because taking massive action requires getting out of your comfort zone and making a change that will start your life on the right track to freedom and success. Hey, I wrote that today. I couldn't believe it. I was just full of quotes today. And I thought today I would share my little journey. Because you know what? The more you step out of your comfort zone, the more you decide where your life's passion is, the more you surround yourself with people that have the same vision as you, you're going to move forward. And so I'm still today doing online work. And a few months ago, I started something even further. I went past the comfort zone to start something even newer, to try to become more productive online, to build my business online. And I started it. And it's been with a beautiful community. It's been 4 months now. I'm earning a wonderful income so far. Because I started to earn some income. I started to realize, yes, this is where I want to be. So my lovely friends, the fear we have inside when we're stuck in our comfort zone can be lifted. When you surround yourself with people that are going to have the same thoughts as you, same ideas, that are going to push you forward in the direction you want to go, I say go for it. I say do it. Because every time you stop yourself, you're stopping a progression Remember, and everybody probably shares this, embrace the process. You might make mistakes. You might get scared to death. Let me see. I wrote another quote. Let me give you a second here. I'm excited about this quote. Where is that quote I wrote down? Yeah. No. Give me a second. Maybe I misplaced it. I wrote a variety of quotes today that I just kept thinking. And it's all to do with, no more excuses. Face that obstacle that is stopping you. Gather your strength. Knock this wall down. And break through it with strength and courage. And that's what I did a few months ago. Because I said, I'm going to make mistakes. Don't worry about the mistakes. Hey, Verna, how you doing? Hey, Lawson, how you doing, my dear? It's glad to see ya. You know what? That fear that you have, that doubt you have, the mistakes you make are all part of the process. So embrace the process. Embrace your mistakes, because you can move past your mistakes, you can learn from your mistakes, and you can move even forward. And that's what I'm doing now when I'm working online. I'm building my business. I'm earning while I'm learning, because I love this process of the program I'm on. I'm surrounding myself with beautiful people that, wow. It's like I get up every day so happy to be a part of life more now than ever, because I found my passion. And it's, to me, it's like a couple years ago when I decided to do lives, and I was like, oh, but I found that I enjoy doing lives. Like, remember I shared, you remember my beginning in January, where I decided to do daily thoughts, and I thought I'm going to challenge myself to do a daily thought every day. And I did that. I mean, I had a couple of days where I was ill and I didn't quite do it, but you know what? I did my daily thoughts for 6 months, remember? And I did it for 6 months. I did these daily thoughts, and I thought, wow, I'm finally pushing myself, doing better, and understanding how to do a live. So that is part of life. That's part of life. Embrace the process of your day. Do that, like the acronym says, a fear, Face everything and rise. Because when you make a mistake, don't be dissuaded and go back to your comfort zone. Move past the mistake. Move forward. It's a learning curve. It's a learning process. So my lovely friends, if you'd like to chat with me anytime, I'm here for you. I love to give value every day when I do my lives too. Direct message me. Send me a message if you want some information on what I'm doing right now that's really pushing me forward to do better online, as well as helping me build my business. I'm here for you. Just direct message me and we can have a chat. I'm always here to share all I need to share with my thoughts. And I thought I'd get this out today because the sun is, look at this beautiful day. Okay, I'm actually on a tripod thing, so let me see if I can get up and share with you a little bit before I leave off. But direct message me, if you want to chat with me, I am here for anybody to share with you my thoughts and my ideas and how I'm really slaying the day. Shall I also say one thing? Because I like to slay the day, right? I like to share that. I tell you, I was just writing all these quotes down. I went, whoa, I'm a quote hound today. So, yeah, let's slay the day and move forward in the direction of success. Yes, put that in your mind. Envision your success. How you're going to do well. And you know what? It's going to happen. It's going to happen. So let me sort of move along here. Let me sort of, whoopsie, because I'm on a little tripod thing. I bought this a while back and I was having a little fun on Amazon. Let me sort of share with you this beautiful day. See? It's a little bit hazy. But it's still a beautiful day here on the west coast of British Columbia. So I wanted to leave off with that and see if my cat is around. Look, there's Miss Etta. She's being silly. Hello, Miss Etta. Hey, baby girl. What you doing? She likes bird doo-doo. I hate that. I thought I'd leave off with that, my lovely friends, because you know what? It's always good to leave off with your cat, but I'm going to come back to me. You know that. There I am. So I'm giving thanks to all you lovely friends who pop by and say hello. See if I can go on. It's kind of bright out here, so I'm trying to see if I can do it. I'll set you down a bit as I leave off this one thought again. Take your fears, crash through them, stop them in mid-tracks, and move forward in your life's passion, because you know what? What do you have to lose? You have to gain everything. So direct message me if you want some information on what I'm doing that's really pushing my success even further. And I will share with you my thoughts and information for you all. But I want to share this one last thing. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Enjoy this beautiful first few days of October, as I'm enjoying it myself. My love to you all, my lovely friends, and thank you all for coming by and say hello. Let's see if I can go down a bit. See, oops. down a bit. No, I guess not. Oh, let me see if I can see who all came by and say hello. Thank you, Emma. Emma Lynn, Galeen, Wendy, Kim, Bob, Michelle, Krantz, Verna, Lawson. Thank you all for coming by and say hello. I love you all. Have an awesome, blessed, beautiful day. I will talk to you soon. Bye.